This is the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Monday, the 18th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Our spring-like weather continues with temperatures around 10 degrees above average or more. In fact, we could be seeing record high temperatures again around the area today. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. We just missed a record high temperature here at Tampa International by 1 degree yesterday. How about that? And the morning low 66 outside right now. Here at 8:30 a.m., we've got some clouds out there, still some patches of fog around. Starting out at 73 degrees, dew points up there at 70. Wow, relative humidity 89%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, how about low 70s for all of us? I don't think it's 2 degrees at Blanton, but otherwise upper 60s. That's the cool spots around the area this morning. Again, these are temperatures that we might typically see in May or June in the morning. The upper air look across the country, a big trough out in the western states. Very cold air out there, but around here, upper heights around 590 decameters. And so that means summer-like weather will be in place. The watch warning map, all of the action is either well up to the north across the northeastern states or out in the west with winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, freeze watches for a good portion of Arizona. So it is cold and very active out there, but the long wave weather pattern will be changing within about a week or so, and we'll detail that in a moment. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country, and rainfall valid through next Monday morning coming from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Tampa, hardly anything at all to be found. In fact, a good portion of the area may see nothing at all for the next 7 days as our warm and relatively dry, I say dry, but it's going to be quite muggy, but relatively dry in terms of precipitation weather pattern continues. We'll detail it now as we take a look at the models. Here it is, the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Cold trough out in the west, a big ridge out here in the southeast and out in the Atlantic states with a broad southwesterly flow aloft, so it will be tropical out there today. Down at the surface, some fog around this morning. That'll get out of here by late in the morning hours, and then we'll give way to partly sunny skies. Highs getting up into the mid-80s this afternoon. Record high for Tampa today, 84. We could very well break that. Then tonight, with partly cloudy skies, maybe some patches of fog overnight. Lows upper 60s to about 70. And then tomorrow, again, the mild conditions continue. There's a small chance of showers. Most of the rain is going to stay to our north, across the Panhandle and further north from there. But there's an outside shot. We could see a stray shower, but it would be very widely spaced, very isolated in nature, very light too. Highs tomorrow, again, low to mid-80s. Same thing on Wednesday. And guess what? The forecast is just not going to change the rest of the week. A small chance of showers Thursday. Highs again, mid-80s as the southerly flow continues. And more or less the same thing on Friday. We may not actually see any rain at all Friday. It looks like it could be a dry day. Saturday, kind of the same thing. We're just going to broad brush a very small chance of a shower in here with some energy remaining just to our north. There's a frontal boundary out there, and there should be another one coming our way by the end of the weekend. So really conditions just aren't changing as we go all the way out to the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. No changes. Highs staying in the 80s, lows mid-60s to about 70 every night. All right, let's go out to a week from today. This is Monday, the 25th, and we start to see the pattern de-amplifying across North America. Still, though, upper heights a bit above average, so temperatures are going to remain mild. We'll be in the upper 70s to about 80. Let's go out 10 days and see if anything changes here. This is the end of the period, Wednesday the 27th. And, yeah, the heights are starting to come down just a little bit, ridging out in the west. We've got troughing over eastern Canada, more or less, though, a zonal flow. So high temperatures will probably still be a bit above average, but not nearly as warm. Conditions not nearly as tropical. Let's take a look at those temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period. Oh boy, how about that? Low to mid 80s all the way out through at least the rest of the week. And then the ensemble does try to trend us down as we get into early March. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching and have a great Monday.